Oh my God.
Here at Assetti Performance, we have upgraded well over 300 Land Rover Defenders in the last few years. Now this one behind me so happens to be the wife's. Now in fairness, Sheena doesn't quite know what she's gonna get. So we kind of put in our styling, what we think is the most beautiful truck on the road. Come with me. We've gone for a winter package on the wheel and tire. Now we are absolutely coming into those dirty roads right now. So we've gone for a 20-inch bowler rim, which you can't actually get anymore. We just so happen to have them because of the rally series we were involved in with the Land Rover Defenders and the bowler. The Carpathian style paint, which is our satin PPF done here in Assetti. Obviously a black pack on your arches. Very visual when it comes to the light bar. And to finish off the rear, a roof spoiler. Not to mention the little upgrade on the SVR bonnet that we can do here as well. So realistically, for me, this is one of the most perfect looking trucks out there. And we've built a lot of them. So all in all, I hope she's happy. Not that I'm wearing a watch, but she'll hear any minute.
I'm a whole scene, but I can't be found. Lay up in the cut, how the underground. Go some out, body cut a out. That's how they caught that last trick now. Wheeling and dealing and things that I shouldn't. Look out for popo, cause they will be coming. Eeny, weeny, miny, whoa. Trapper, baddie, let her go. Boys and girls, what you learn as I do my thing. Talent classes in session, join me on your thing. These boys and girls, what you learn as I do my thing. Talent classes in session, join me on your thing.
Assetti have knocked it out of the ballpark. You've got a beautiful truck.
Thank you very much. I'm actually a little bit nervous. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Oh, she's absolutely beautiful.
Pretty
She's
truck.
an absolute beast. I love it. Oh, this is like silk. Look at this. I think this is the best one I've seen.
I think you're right.
No, honestly, babe, you've done amazing. Wow. Oh, look at her. She's gorgeous. She's perfect.
Bit like yourself.
Do you know what? I wasn't sure about the mix, the matte and gloss mix, but actually,
You know,
it's stunning.
the satin and the gloss mix is really what makes it. They call it a Carpathian style from the factory.
Okay.
But obviously we do here in Assetti with PPF. So we can create any Carpathian style, factory style, right here.
Rims, they're gorgeous.
Yes, so we went with a winter packet for you.
Oh my
as we're coming into the winter. You know, where you can put a different set of rims on for the summer if you're interested. But nonetheless, that is a kind of one-off, I suppose, 20-inch bowler rim. You can't even buy them anymore.
Wow.
So they're pretty exclusive.
Babe, you done good.
Good.
You done good. I was nervous because I left it in your hands, but honestly, I'm made up. She's an absolute beast. Oh, hello. Hello, gorgeous. Oh my God. We're gonna get on just fine, you and me.